Today we will be demonstrating some of the audio features on our audio systems. You can access a lot of cool features in this Entune audio system. First, pair your phone with the audio system. Once paired, your contacts will be transferred automatically. While waiting for the contacts to transfer, check out the voice recognition features. Go to Setup, hit Voice. Here you will find the voice recognition tutorial and voice training system. The voice recognition tutorial is always there to help you learn more about the voice recognition system.
Using your Toyota conversational speech recognition system is a simple and user-friendly experience. Just press.
Secondly is the option to use the voice recognition training system. You will be given 10 phrases to repeat. This will help the system understand your voice when saying commands.
Please say the following. Reserve a table at 8 p.m. for 4 people at Horseback Steakhouse. Cancelled.
Now that your contacts are loaded, you can give the system some voice commands, such as showing missed calls.
How may I help you?
Show missed calls.
These are your recent calls. Number 1, outgoing, Sarah W. Number 2, cancelled.
Calling someone.
What would you like to do?
Call Toyota of Wallingford.
Calling the home number for Toyota of Wallingford.
Lastly, you can use the text message feature. To enable text messaging on an iPhone, you'll need to go to Settings, then Bluetooth, then select the Information button to the right of the vehicle and turn on the Show Notifications.
Hello,